I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth using beef cubes. First, select good quality beef bouillon cubes as they are the foundation of your broth. For a standard broth, use 1 cube for every 1 cup of water. You can also think about adding some fresh aromatics, like 1/4 of an onion or a clove of garlic, right from the start to build a richer base. Begin by placing your beef cubes into a saucepan and adding the measured hot water. Stir until the cubes are fully dissolved. Now is the time to introduce any vegetables or herbs you've chosen, like a carrot or a sprig of parsley. Gently bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, ensuring it doesn't come to a rapid boil. To enhance the flavor, add a small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an even deeper taste, consider tossing in a bay leaf or a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme. Let the broth gently simmer for at least 15 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to fully meld and create a robust, savory profile. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any solids, leaving you with a clear, flavorful liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it into airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 4 days or frozen for several months. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.